welcome to the channel. It's Bob with Homestead with Sadie. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna do an open box test of a product. It's been sent to us by SmartSaker, and we're gonna do a review. In return, they're letting us keep it. By no means are we being paid. We're not sponsored by them. The only thing we're gonna do is an honest review. So we're gonna test a product, tell you what we think about it, and we'll leave you the info in case you want to get with them to get one yourself. So let's have at it. A mini electric chainsaw. Let's get it open all the way. Oil. Charging cable. Saw, tightening tool, what else you got? Little Phillips. Let's see if the battery comes pre-charged. $20 volt. Obviously it's just a little 4 volt. Oh, there's the charging. Before I do that, let's show you the charging. The charging's actually in the top, and then just plug it in. It's got a light on it, but just slides in. I'm looking to see. And actually, let's look at the instructions real quick, because I'm pretty sure this is an oil. Oh, yep, there it is. It shows right there. Just put it on the chain. So obviously, got a safety look there. Safety. Push in the safety. Let's do it real slow. So we hold it up. Go out and test it on something real quick. So it's pretty lightweight. No heavy too. It's got a guard on it for your hand, which is nice in case your hand slips off. Just anybody's got the blade on there, cover, which is nice that it spring loaded back in. That way, when you're doing it, it goes. So here's a branch right here, and we'll give it a try. Ate right through it. A couple branch.
Here, let me see if I can do it. Let me see. Let me get a woman's perspective. Even though I look like a nut. See it, push the safety.
Push safety, there you go.
Chickens. Hey, stop. Okay, hold on. Maybe it's not good to have one that's already detached. Let me try this. All right. Considering I don't use a chainsaw, so getting stuck like that, I don't know. Otherwise, let me try this again.
It's just because it's banging around. Grab a hold of if you can hold the stump steady,
oh, yeah.
because the stump, it's like jerking back and forth.
All right,
That's
well,
what it's
come on over
doing.
here so you can get a better view of what I'm doing.
See how much?
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
So you like it?
I mean, yeah, for small jobs, maybe even bigger jobs. Well, I don't think it'll cut through really something
Yeah, we
that
ain't.
big.
We're just.
But for, and what do you think, an inch and a half?
Yeah.
2-inch branch? Cut through pretty smoothly. I recommend it.
It'll get used.
I think it's a pretty cool product. Like I said, we're not sponsored, or like Bob said, we're not sponsored. They just asked us to do a review on their product, in which that's what we're doing, an unboxing and a review. I think maybe it weighs less than 5 pounds.
Oh yeah.
Maybe even less, 3 pounds. Cut through that branch pretty simple. Yeah, I think it could be a recommendation. Now, I don't know how long the battery lasts, but it came charged. If you just had small jobs to do, I think it'd be perfectly fine. I think it's fine. What about you?
I'm for it. It does this job just quite well. So like, I'll put the charger on and see how long it takes it to fully charge it, and then maybe one day I'll take it out and run it and use it up, and we'll see how long the battery does last. But so with that being said, if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. We'll see you on the next one.